and one and all present here. Today I, Sgns from class 11 Commerce A, going to conduct today's assembly activity. Don't be limited to yourself. Be curious about our surrounding, as curiosity got no cure. So, to know about our surrounding, I would like to call Nanny Jen for some news.
Morning, one and all present here. Today I am Nanny Jen from class 11 Commerce, standing in front of you to tell some news. Today's news headlines are: National News. PM Narendra Modi held a meeting with Chief Minister and Deputy CM of BJP ruled states to periodically evaluate governance-related issues. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi condoled the death of 3 students who died due to flooding in basement of a coaching center in Delhi. Some international news. Former President Donald Trump announced plans to turn the US into a Bitcoin superpower if re-elected. A rocket attack on a soccer field in the Israel-controlled Golden Heights killed at least 10 people and wounded several others. Some sports news. Indian shooter Arjun Babuta has qualified for final round of men's 10-meter air rifle. Shooter Manu Bakkar won bronze in the women's 10-meter air pistol final. States news. Madhya Pradesh liquors of own fined for unusual English class promotion. Movement of tigers increased in newest tiger reserve of Madhya Pradesh. Number increased from 2 to 20 in 6 years. Thank you. Have a productive day ahead.
One small positive thought in the morning can change our whole day. So, for thought of the day, I would like to call Nancy Rai.
Good morning, one and all present here. The thought of the day is: you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. अर्थात कोशिश करने के लिए आपको महान होने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आपको महान बनने के लिए कोशिश करनी होगी. Thank you.
Nancy, the best investment is investment in knowledge. So, to learn about a new word, I would like to call Vishal Ahuja.
Morning, one and all present here. Here I am Vishal Ahuja from class 11 Commerce A, going to represent the word of the day. The word of the day is Aisham. Its meaning in English, please tend to locate. Its meaning in Hindi, आकर्षण से देखना. Its use in English sentence: the teacher said that the student made an Aisham project. Its use in Hindi sentence: शिक्षक ने कहा कि उसके विद्यार्थी ने बहुत ही आकर्षक पेशेवर बनाया है. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Thank you, Vishal. Did you know that the male brain is 10% bigger than female, but female brain work more efficiently? So, to know about some more interesting facts, I would like to call Mansi Patel.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am here to present you with an amazing universe fact, that is, Venus spins from opposite direction to all other planets in our solar system. While other planets spin from west to east, Venus spins from east to west, which means that the sun rises from west on Venus. Thank you.
Thank you, Mansi. Accept your past without regrets. Handle your present with confidence and face your future without fear. With these lines, I am ending today's assembly activity. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Under the guidance of respected Himanshu sir. Thank you, sir.